Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, we're here with my dad's Jeep Cherokee XJ, and he loves this thing, and so do I. It had a nice cosmetic restoration done to it, so it looks great. This blue color is a very rare color for the Jeep Cherokee XJs, and it has a few mods to it. This Jeep, it's slightly lifted. It's almost a 2-inch lift, and it's riding on great General Grabber AT2 all-terrain tires. So I have a question. How well will this drive on and off-road? Now, I've made a video with my Jeep taking on and off-road, testing those old tires and the old suspension, but I'm curious, how much better is this with a nice little lift and some awesome all-terrain tires? Let's find out. So what is it like to drive my dad's Jeep Cherokee XJ with a lift kit and awesome all-terrain tires? Well, it's nice. Overall, the riding experience is very similar to mine, where it feels sort of moderate in a way. It's relatively comfortable. Now, having this lift, there's a little bit more body roll when I'm driving around. But this vehicle has a great greenhouse overall, and it's a nice, pleasant experience. It puts a smile on my face because you know this vehicle can go every day, just back and forth to work. You have heavy snow, you can go through that thick snow, and you can go off-roading and have some fun. It does it all. Now, other things about these tires, you do have a little bit more wind noise overall, a little bit more road noise, but it's not too bad. Overall, it looks cool, it helps me when I'm off-roading, so I'll take the little imperfections here and there to make up for that, but I really like this vehicle. Let's do some drive-bys.
Duck fight.
So now let's hit that dirt road I took my Jeep on, and all right. So it took those initial bumps. This dirt road never really is maintained properly, but just driving right from the get-go, I have grip, I'm taking this turn. Things are a little slick. Ooh, I got the rear end out just a smidge, but it does a good job. And I believe we have a bunch of wild turkeys on the road, so let's check those out. Be quiet, guys. Look at them all in their glory.
Holy crap.
Excuse us, turkeys. So overall, it does a good job. Now the turkey's out of the way. Like I said, this dirt road's not maintained, but overall suspension's doing a good job at taking those imperfections away. These tires are big and they're beefy, so they're getting grip, but they're also working as another shock absorber. And right here, this road is horrible right here. It's basically a giant washboard. Now I got a little bit loose, but I instantly got traction again. I like these tires. I like the lift. I think it looks good. There is more body roll, and I have noticed I no longer can make a full turn. Whew, this road is real bad, but it's doing it in a great job. Now, we'll actually show you this little chunk of the road real quick to see how bad it is, but it is pretty bad. So overall, I like these tires. I like the lift kit. It does a good job. I'm having fun on these dirt roads. I would love to one day take both these Jeeps off-roading, my Jeep and this Jeep, and to see what they can actually do off-road. But I'm having fun. This is a good tire, good suspension setup, and a fun vehicle to do it in. Jeep Cherokee XJs, they're fun, they're exciting. I'm taking these dirt roads like a champ. Ooh, more turkeys. Let's do some drive-bys. All right, so overall, I had a whole lot of fun out here driving on and off-road. Now, off-road, it's just a dirt road that's poorly maintained, but I could get the rear end out just a little bit. This wasn't two-wheel drive, but these tires instantly got traction. They're big and they're rugged looking, so when they do hit all those washboard bumps, they absorbed it fairly nicely. Now, hitting a lot of those consecutively would get the vehicle a little bit squirrely with the big tires and being lifted, and there was a little bit more body roll because this vehicle is lifted, but nothing you couldn't handle. Now, I'm curious to see when I get my off-road tires, they're cheaper and a little bit less aggressive, how they'll do on and off-road compared to this and compared to the stock tires. Well, we'll find out in the future. I thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. It's about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs. Combustion engines, just like this inline six, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.